Dad's plan. Grab your sketch pad and pen, Sam, said Dad, and your binoculars. Sam put the binoculars around his neck and put the pen and pad in his backpack. Where are we going? Asked Sam. I know you're sad about not having a pet, said Sam's dad, so I want you to see all the wonderful creatures that live in our city. Sam nodded. I will be like a spy. I will spy on the creatures and sketch them in my pad, Sam added. That way I can pretend they are in our apartment. Yes, said Dad. But you don't need to pretend, because we all live in the city together. We all share a home with each other. Sam hopped from one foot to the other. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Sam said. We'll start with the shed in the back of our building, said Sam's dad. Sam blinked. We'll start where? But as soon as Sam's dad opened the shed door, Sam understood. There, connected to the planks of the ceiling, a spider was spinning her web. Sam asked, What is that white blob in the center of the web? That's an egg sac, said Sam's dad. Soon it will open and the spider babies will hatch. I thought only hens had eggs, Sam said. Sam sketched the spider, her web, and the egg sac. Sam put his pen down and walked with Dad to the park down the block. Sitting on the bench, Sam's dad dropped some bits of bread on the ground. Sam helped him. Immediately, a robin with a red breast flew down to eat. The robin chuckled at Sam. I thought birds were shy. They usually fly away when I get close, said Sam. I guess this bird likes me, he said as he sketched the bird standing in front of him. Just as he was finishing the drawing, the robin flew away. Sam and his dad did not walk much farther after Sam detected a movement in the plants beside the path. He dropped down to his knees. A big ant tromped through the grass, pinching one of the bread bits between its front legs. The ant is bringing food back to its family, said Sam's dad. I didn't know ants eat people food, said Sam, and Sam sketched the ant. As they walked home, Dad asked, Did you enjoy your adventure today? Do you still wish you had a pet? Sam wasn't listening. He was watching the sidewalk for more ants. What did you say? Said Sam, as he watched an ant scurry through between the sidewalk cracks. Hey, maybe we could go on a picnic tomorrow and look for more creatures. Okay, said Dad, with a grin.